forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss problem of inverse trigonometric functions. First, if sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal to 1, then find the value of x. This is simple equation. So first write equation as it is. Sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. Just observe this. Hide this portion. Then this will look like sin theta equal to 1. When sin theta is 1? When theta equal to pi by 2. Sin this quantity is theta equal to 1. So this is equal to pi by 2. So sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Now again we know this formula. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Compare with this formula. Cos inverse x, pi by 2, sin inverse x, sin is 1 by 5. It means x equal to 1 by 5. Therefore, x equal to 1 by 5. Next problem. If tan inverse this plus tan inverse this equal to pi by 4, then find the value of x. So first write equation. Tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2 equal to pi by 4. Now apply formula. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y. So tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus x plus 1 upon x plus 2 upon 1 minus x minus 1 upon x minus 2 into x plus 1 upon x plus 2 equal to pi by 4. Apply formula. Whenever we apply this formula, then product of these two numbers is always less than 1. So x minus 1 upon x minus 2 into x plus 1 upon x minus 2 is less than 1. Implies x square minus 1 upon x square minus 4 is less than 1. Give equation number 1. Next step, simplify. LCM is same, x minus 2 into x plus 2, x minus 2 into x plus 2. So cancel. Now cross multiply this into this plus this into this. X into x, x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 plus x square plus x minus 2x minus 2 upon x minus 2 into x plus 2, x square minus 4 into 1 minus x square minus 1 equal to pi by 4. Minus x and plus x cancel. 2x and minus 2x cancel. So we get tan inverse 2x square minus 4 upon, open the bracket, so x square minus x square cancel, minus 4 plus 1, so minus 3 is equal to pi by 4. Next step, 2x square minus 4 upon minus 3 is equal to 10 pi by 4. We all know 10 pi by 4 equal to 1. So 2x square minus 4 upon minus 3 equal to 1. Next steps, 2x square minus 4 equal to minus 3 implies 2x square is equal to minus 3 plus 4 1. So x equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. Now check this answer. X equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. Put in equation 1. 1 by root 2 whole square. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 means negative quantity. And 1 by 2 minus 4 minus 7 by 2. So negative for negative, positive. 2 2 cancel, we get 1 by 7 which is less than 1. So since x equal to plus minus 1 by root 2 satisfy equation 1. Therefore answer is x equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. Next problem. 2 tan inverse cos x equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x. So first apply this formula. 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. So next step, imply sign. Tan inverse 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x. Tan inverse 2 cosec x, we can write 2 upon sin x. Now tan inverse this equal to tan inverse this. So on comparing 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x, we can write sin square x is equal to 2 upon sin x. On comparing 2 or 2 cancel. Sin x in denominator means sin x not equal to 0, so we can cut. Next step, cos upon sin. Cot x equal to 1. Then x equal to pi by 4. We all know cot 45 equal to 1. Next one. Tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy is equal to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y if xy is greater than minus 1. So apply this formula. Next step, now compare tan inverse x. So x equal to 1 and y equal to x. So next step we can write tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 1 means pi by 4 is equal to, send tan inverse x that side, so tan inverse x plus half tan inverse x. So pi by 4 is equal to this plus this 3 by 2 tan inverse x. 1 plus half 3 by 2 tan inverse x. 2 to the 4. Next steps, pi by 6 is equal to tan inverse x. So tan pi by 6 is equal to x. So value of x is 1 upon root 3. Next problem. Sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x equal to pi by 2. Here sin inverse, here 2 sin inverse. So there is no formula between sin inverse this and 2 sin inverse. Sin inverse 1 minus x equal to pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse x. Next step, 1 minus x equal to pi by 2 sin pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse x. Let sin inverse x equal to theta implies x equal to sin theta. So 1 minus x equal to sin 90 plus 2 theta. Sin 90 plus 2 theta, cos 2 theta. Write 1 minus x as it is. 1 minus x equal to cos 2 theta. We can write 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 or 1 cancel. Minus x equal to minus 2x square. Sin square theta, so x square. Now send minus 2x square that side. So minus x plus 2x square equal to 0. Minus x common. So we get 1 minus 2x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 by 2. So we get two values. Now put x equal to 0 in equation 1. Sin inverse 1 equal to pi by 2 and sin inverse 0 is equal to 0. Means x equal to 0 satisfies equation 1. Now put x equal to 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2. Sin inverse 1 by 2 means 30 degree. Minus 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. So minus 2 into 30 degree is equal to minus 30 degree equal to minus pi by 6. Not equal to pi by 2. Means x equal to 1 by 2 does not satisfy equation 1. Since x equal to 1 by 2 does not satisfy equation 1, therefore x equal to 0. Next problem. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse 2x equal to pi by 3. Whenever we apply formula between sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, formula is little bit tough. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse x root 1 minus y square plus y root 1 minus x square. So before apply this formula, first rearrange. Set any one quantity from LHS to RHS. Don't apply this formula. Otherwise calculation is very tough. Sin inverse x root 1 minus 2x whole square plus 2x root 1 minus x square. So sin inverse x is equal to pi by 3 minus sin inverse 2x. Sin inverse x as it is in place of pi by 3 means 60 degree. We can write sin inverse root 3 by 2 minus sin inverse 2x. Now apply formula. Sin inverse x minus sin inverse y, because one of the quantity is constant, so calculation is easier. So sin inverse x is equal to which formula we have to apply? Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to this, or if minus sign is there, then in formula minus sign. So sin inverse x means root 3 by 2 root 1 minus 2x whole square minus 2x as it is 1 minus root 3 by 2 whole square. On comparing, x equal to root 3 by 2 1 minus 4x square minus 2x 1 minus 3 by 4 1 by 4 or square root of 1 by 4 1 by 2 2 or 2 cancel. Next step, send minus x that side. So 2x equal to root 3 by 2 root 1 minus 4x square. Cross multiply. 4x equal to root 3 root 1 minus 4x square. Now squaring on both sides. So square of 4x 16x square is equal to 3 or 1 minus 4x square. Next step, 16x square is equal to 3 minus 12x square. Next step, 16 plus 12, 28x square is equal to 3. So x square is equal to 3 upon 28. So x equal to plus minus root 3 and square root of 28. We can write 7 into 4. So 2 root 7. Okay, now check which one is correct answer. One is positive, one is negative. When you put x equal to minus sign, then this quantity is negative, this quantity also negative. So sum of two negative angle is not equal to positive angle. So x equal to minus root 3 by 2 root 7 does not satisfy equation 1. Since x equal to minus root 3 upon 2 root 7 does not satisfy equation 1. Therefore, x is equal to root 3 upon 2 root 7. Next problem. Cos inverse x plus sin inverse x by 2 minus pi by 6 equal to 0. Whenever sin or cos both together, then always apply formula cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. So change this sin inverse into cos. Cos inverse x plus pi by 2 minus cos inverse x by 2 minus pi by 6 equal to 0. Apply this identity. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Next step. Pi by 2 minus pi by 6 as it is, and send these two quantity dead side. So cos inverse x by 2 minus cos inverse x. If we send these two quantity dead side, then difference is negative, and cos inverse is not invertible in negative interval. Cos theta is invertible in the interval 0 to pi. So angle is positive required. That's why 90 minus pi by 6 is equal to 90 minus 30, 60 degree means pi by 3. Now apply formula. Cos inverse x minus cos inverse y. Cos inverse x into y plus root 1 minus x square by 4 root 1 minus x square. Apply this formula. Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y minus equal to cos inverse xy plus root 1 minus x square root 1 minus x square. Next step, pi by 3 equal to cos inverse, same cos dead side, so cos pi by 3 is equal to x square by 2 plus multiply these two quantity, both are in root, so 1 into 1 1 minus x square minus x square upon 4 and plus x to the power 4 upon 4. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 equal to x square by 2 plus root 1 minus x square on minus x square by 4 minus 5x square upon 4 plus x to the power 4 upon 4. Now simplify. Send x square by 2 dead side. So 1 by 2 minus x square by 2 equal to root 1 minus 5x square upon 4 plus x to the power 4 upon 4. Squaring on both sides. Square of left hand side. There are two terms, a minus b whole square. So a square means 1 by 4 plus b square means x to the power 4 upon 4 minus 2ab. 2 into 1 by 2 1 into this. So x square upon 2 is equal to 1 minus 5x square by 4 plus x to the power 4 upon 4. X to the power 4 upon 4 cancel. Now send this quantity right side. So 5x square upon 4 minus x square by 2 equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. Now more simplify. This minus this, taking LCM, LCM is 4 and 5x square minus 2, so 3x square by 4. 3x square by 4 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. 3 and 3 cancel, 4 and 4 cancel. So x square equal to 1. So x equal to plus minus 1. अब now take x equal to plus 1 and minus 1. X equal to 1. Cos inverse 1 0 and sin inverse 1 by 2 30 degree. Pi by 6 minus pi by 6 0. So x equal to 1 satisfy this equation. When you put x equal to minus 1, cos inverse minus 1 180 degree. Sin inverse minus 1 by 2 means 30 degree. So 180 minus 30, 150 minus 30, 120 not equal to 0. Since x equal to minus 1 does not satisfy equation 1, therefore x equal to 1. Thank you.